Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jilla ne kasngi kala rakhe kasngi buram ki Nonghikai bad kala donru ka jingpen kop buram mi ki Nonghikai na ka jilla bro kawai ha ka ni kasngi la don ringkat dau menteri badai pet ya katanat puli puthi uba lakmen Rymbui u amros marak u secretary katanat puli puthi bad ki officer baper habakren ha ka ni kasngi na kalyang uba lakmen ula kentu yi ki Nonghikai banyat trailang Ula ongru baula yui ya kalong kaman jong katanan bat ki ki lat ki lenti ban pen bena. Ula ai khoblei ru yu amros marak ubala ai ka jing syakri ban tre shitam ha ka jing penwandur ya katanan. Shu ubala kamen ula ong baha ka jela ki dan bun ki kenhun Nonghikai bat ka jing kalong ba ka jing bun kenhun ka pelong ya ka sarkar banwanra tang hapo ka we ka kenhun. Ula ong bahagini ki Snem, ula don ka Jingïaieid bat ka Jingïadom bat ki Nonghikai, hendai ka ni ka dehi hakakam.
Wish her our best wishes, convey our best wishes for receiving this prestigious award. This year, total 13 renowned teachers have been selected for the receiving prestigious state award on this occasion. So I would like to very best to all of them.
Revised pay which is due. We heard lots of political speech and other big shots. I'm very happy that in the last 5 years I have a love-hate relationship with the teaching committee and hate-love relationship with the teaching committee. But it's all not personal. It is all professional. I have to face the barrack if something wrong. And also, I am very open in whatever I see. We'll try to do, just try to do, because as I said, nothing is personal, everything is professional. We are here to try to solve the issues at hand, but it's not easy. But having said that, I'm very happy. I have a team of
immensely to the upliftment of the school, and she has proved herself to be an excellent teacher and a mentor to everyone in the school. Her tireless efforts and devotion to her students have helped to mold the character of the students, making them better human beings. Have helped him to improve himself as a teacher and have benefited the students immensely. In the year 2020, and now, Srimati Sinem is conferred the State Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day 2022.